right after school.
All right, we're live.
Submit your artwork and writing to present by Friday, December 12th. Be eligible for a fantastic food prize. Thank you and have a great
We're
day.
live.
Questions on your homework?
Joey looks like he's 2 in that picture.
I have a question. Does Barry Manilow know you rate his
I put it on
wardrobe?
59.
59.
It wasn't 58.
What?
You whack, man.
I know that, like, that was the date.
59, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. On graph paper, graph the parabola. You could have easily saw this if you were looking at your
It's a parabola.
decimal calculator. I think it graphs it for you.
What's that mean?
So you could have clicked the decimal calculator and put in this parabola, which was 2x minus 5x minus 3, so 2x minus 5x, oh, 2x squared. 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 or plus 3?
Minus 3.
Okay, so that's that parabola that we have right here. It then says, what are the roots or the x-intercepts? Remember, that is where your parabola crosses your x-axis. So where does it cross? Your x-axis. What is one of them?
Negative.
Negative 1/2, and the other one is what? 3.
3.
It then goes on to say, read the math notes, then solve the equation algebraically. Did your solutions match? What was it asking? It asked you to use the quadratic formula. I don't know. This is just a formula that you plug things into. So basically, let's zoom in on this. Is this what you were asking about, Joe?
Yeah. I think
Okay. I don't know what, they introduce things that they never have me go over even. So,
should we skip this one?
no, you shouldn't skip it. You should be writing it down if I'm going over it. So we had
Better
the
do
problem, what, was it 2x squared minus 5x minus 3? So when you have something like this, you need to write down what A, B, and C are. So A, B, C. What is A here in this problem? 2. You're just taking the front number. What is B here? What? What is B?
-5.
Negative 5. What is C?
-3.
Negative 3. All it wants you to do in this quadratic formula, guys, you need to have this out. I don't know what you were doing, but this should be out, and if you're not correcting it, you should be.
Which one is this?
This is 59. Is it 59? So we wrote down the problem 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. We wrote down A, B, and C. So now we have this formula. This formula would always be given to you if you're asked to use it. All you're doing here is putting A, B, and C where they belong. The tricky part happens when you have to remember to either make sure your numbers are where they belong. So what I like to do first is write down my numbers where they belong. I have negative B, which would be negative 5. So I'm plugging in the numbers exactly how I see them. Plus or minus the square root of negative 5, which is B, squared, minus 4 times A, which we know is 2, times C, which is negative 3. Always use parentheses because if you don't, you'll get mixed up. Divided by 2 times, we know A is 2. Now from here we can start to solve this. What is negative 5? Positive 5. So I have 5 plus or minus the square root. What is negative 5 squared? Positive 25, right? Now, when you have these three things, we can multiply them all together. What is negative 3 times 2? Negative 6. And then what is negative 6 times negative 4? No. Positive 24.
Yeah.
So that's telling us -4 times 2 times -3. We're getting positive 24 all over, what is 2 times 2? 4.
4.
Now we have 5 plus or minus the square root of, what is 25 plus 24?
69.
49? Yeah. Good.
69.
49 all over 4. And then we simplify this even more. 5 plus or minus, what is the square root of 49? 7. Good. Over 4. We're almost done, but this is the point where we need to break it up into 2 equations because in a parabola, how many roots do you have?
You're making 3 roots.
You're thinking of factoring, not in this case. How many roots do you have with a parabola? 2. So we are going to break this down into 2 equations. We're going to have 5 plus 7 over 4. And what do you think the other one's going to be? Minus. 5 minus 7 over 4. So what is 5 plus 7? 12 over 4 gives us what? 3. And then what is 5 minus 7? -2 over 4, which is the same thing as -0.5. Are those the 2 roots we got when we graphed it? Yeah. Questions on this? It's not that hard. You just have to plug in numbers into the formula and make sure you're taking your time with these. All you're doing is plugging in the numbers and taking it step by step. Questions on that?
No.
Okay, let's roll the dice today.
Okay, let's do that. This is the best part of the day. We have 2 viewers.
Watches.
We want 2 in a row that come up, well, one that comes up twice.
No, do the first one that comes up. Do the first one that comes up.
No.
5, turn it in for completion. Yeah, completion check is a 5.
How did I say that? It's sorry. I'm that guy now. I'm the guy that everybody does now.
What is it called? It was called sneak peek.
Yeah.
Right. Let me see. Oh, wait.
Emma, you wanna say hi to the camera?
Put it in. Sometimes it takes.
Why?
days to remember.
I don't get what people are always like so camera shy. Like,
Okay, take out your notes and open them to. Our notes
Such a
are
lie.
open to 4.2.2. 4.2.2.
why do you have an Instagram?
Ooh.
Oh,
Grant Wilson is
oh, 3 of you? Are we gonna get
What's her name?
Adriana? She's a little shaken. Cause she watched. What?
Wait, didn't you get to go to Jenna?
No, we went to homecoming and it was like the worst night of my life.
Your sister?
I don't care. I will say to all my viewers, all 3 of them, that I hate Jenna
I
Gruber
should
and all
see
of her
everyone with
friends.
a piece of paper out too for their notes. Notes, I should see notes out. I'm not moving forward until I see everyone with notes out. Yeah. No, you won't need graph paper. Regular paper is fine.
It's me.
Clark, I'm waiting on you. Get out some
Everyone's
paper,
watching
take
the
notes
stream.
on.
I was getting on my book.
Thank you. Okay, today's lesson is on tree diagrams. So we are dealing with probability a little more today, but with tree diagrams, you might actually like these a lot better because it allows you to see the different probabilities and your different options, which is kind of pretty cool because it allows you to
Pretty
see
cool.
all your options. So today, your goal is to use tree diagrams to model probability of events that are not equally likely. So we are not talking about things that are equally likely generally today. We're talking about things that aren't equally likely. From here, we are going to just work on 64 through 66 with your groups. I'm going to do another participation quiz today to make sure everyone's taking notes and everyone's on track. Everyone should be writing. Everyone, your facilitator should be reading. What I want to do after each problem is to definitely check those. You only have 3 problems to do today, so get started.
All right, so which I'm gonna do 64. All right, I'm gonna have to read to the stream. Streaming. Let's get like an action shot.
Man, 4.22.
Yeah,
Okay.
4.22.
So,
1.2.
all right, 64. Let's do this.
Are you in what's her name? Victorina?
Yeah.
Are you guys dating?
No, I said
I think.
Is she the girl that? Is she in the cabaret?
Yeah.
I know you're talking about. She's the girl that you've been making up with.
Yep.
I knew she was in middle school.
Anyway,
But you were lying.
no.
always says things like, there are these CPM
What?
videos of like, way your
Grade,
group should be working.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
he says, like, the exact
Okay,
thing
64.
that kids say.
Should I like do this? What kind of voice should I do this in for my viewers? All 3 of them.
Make a video of what, how to talk to your team in CPM.
Charlie's a good actor.
Well, he's doing it too.
He's gonna go on Broadway.
So I'm gonna watch him watching my stream, and he's gonna. Oh,
Tossing.
you're on the stream. Hang on, I need to watch the stream because you're gonna be on it. Oh, okay. All right, 64. Your teacher challenges you to a spinner game.
I thought you were reading it in a voice.
Okay, what should I do? What kind of voice should I do? I'll just do it in my normal voice. Your teacher challenges you to a spinner game. You spin the 2 spinners with the probabilities listed below. The first letter comes from spinner 1 and the second letter from spinner 2. If the letters can form a 2-letter English word, then you win. Otherwise, your teacher wins and you die. Test your ideas with the 464 student e-tool CPM spinner game. Okay.
Well, say if you get.
Okay.
You.
All right, so A. You know what? Let's stop talking about that class. Hey, stop talking about that class. Let's get to work on geometry, okay? They just go right back to talking. That makes me so mad. Oh my gosh, look, we have another viewer on my stream. Man, I'm like moving up in the ranks. Not even joking. Who is watching? Can I see who's watching?
You just had a party.
What else can I do?
Yearbook.
I can do like a screen share, which means like whatever's on my screen, the people on the
Are we
stream.
supposed to be doing problems?
That's all.
Which one?
And then I could say so smart and all these things.
Nah, you know what?
Donuts
I'm not gonna do that. I don't know how to get out of it.
I feel like I don't.
You got,
I feel like
Google effects. What is this? Oh, it's downloading an app.
And
Oh, no way. I can have a cat in a hat.
I don't really like that.
How do I do this?
Shrek it out.
Sorry, this is your
No,
party. You can stay after with me after.
I can have a beard, like regular.
Are you going?
don't shoot the messenger.
Probably.
And then you get
Sorry, I'm good. Are the outcomes for the spinner 2 independent? Yes. No. They are dependent.
She's like so. I'll probably email her and say, thank you.
Wait, are they?
Is anyone else going?
No, it's independent.
Probably. I need to
Why don't you hit points off?
Yeah.
Number 8 or
Come on, guys, we're gonna get points off if we're not working. Come on, guys, let's get back to work.
Probability models. It's basically saying make a two-way table, like we did doing yesterday. So make
All right,
box.
B, make a probability area
Can you
model.
explain A? I don't
A,
understand.
you know, I never really got independent and dependent variables, so I figure it's either like one or the other.
So now,
So-
along one side, you should probably
I don't know
put
how, it's
spinner
like-
one.
Get out.
It doesn't work like that.
And along the other side, you should probably put spinner two,
Click.
just like we did
So-
with the blood type.
So
So would you ask if
I can draw.
where
I would just be on the, like, they should be at the top and on the right. I mean, it's okay, that's fine.
How to make the screen bigger?
So
Okay,
now,
there's
what
six
is the what are the choices on spinner one? What are the letters?
Whoa, hang on, what?
Which is
Oh,
what
what?
letter choice?
like they're completely
I,
opposite.
so you have 1/2 chance of getting letter I, so about halfway up across your box.
What is going
Make a
on?
line.
Just wait.
Say that box represents
Just watch the stream.
letter I.
Watch.
Is that spinner one or two? If you're doing spinner one, it would be that way, yeah.
Do it.
Right. So you're gonna say this represents
Or is this to make it
I.
They're dependent, right? Because whatever is after spinner one just happens on the other.
Underneath, like
For
right
what?
I'm telling A. I'm confused.
So if you're saying half.
Actually, no,
this is
maybe they're
25
independent. It doesn't matter. Get on.
Wait.
I don't understand like independent and
Independent means that the one spinner wouldn't affect the other, right? Dependent would mean that the one spinner affects the other and affects whether it would make a word or not. So say if you got a U on the first spinner, would that affect whether you could make a word or not on the second spinner?
No, that's why it's independent.
it would.
Why
Yeah,
wouldn't
it would.
Wait,
Because you can't make a word out of it.
wait, what?
Right, it depends, whether you get a word or not will depend on what you get.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. That's what I was trying to say.
Spinner name? Who's sure? It's good, it's good math.
I don't want that on my. I don't know. Oh, now it's on you. What? I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want this. Get off.
Okay, make a probability
Get
area
off.
model of the sample
Grab it.
size.
Can you actually? No, you can't. I don't think you can do that.
Fling it over. Ready?
I just drew a.
No, I don't want this. I don't want that. I'm gonna watch this later tonight and I'm gonna be laughing my ass off.
Johnny. You're on the stream.
No, I don't want that.
Yeah?
And A is how many? So then what about spinner two?
1/4.
It's so funny. It's so funny.
1/4.
Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Now it's working.
Wait, I want one.
So how many boxes do you need?
Oh,
Get away. Wait, so what's the answer? Dependent.
Guys, if you needed help with drawing the area model for the spinner,
So hard.
Like
It's up
the
here.
proportion of it.
You know what?
She always says it like.
I mean, for being a negative group member, you're losing points.
I just do like, when I get like OCD, it's not.
Make
Maybe that's.
It's just game fair. Yeah.
What is it at?
Both have 50% chance of winning.
Wait, what'd you say for B?
We're done. Make a probability area model. I was gonna say, yeah, probability. And then find the probability that
So,
you're in this game.
why, okay, with
One half.
It's-
your area diagram.
One half. I think
Spinners,
is
right?
you spell over 3
Well,
times.
you guys don't even have that drawn correctly. Your area diagram always needs to show the amount of area for each.
Yes, that's what you did. Right?
Right. So that is what it should look like is on the board up there. Yes.
Oh, I forgot something. Can I see if it's-
Yeah.
I think we should all be on the same page.
We are. I'm just going back to before.
So what, we've said yes, it is fair?
I think it is.
Okay. Why?
Because you got a 1/2 chance of spelling a word correctly and a 1/2 chance of not. So it's pretty fair. Yeah.
Independent means it doesn't change.
Yes. So, yes, it's.
Too similar.
Okay. And then the teacher would like.
Okay, 65. 65. It's like the best number ever.
Yeah, size difference.
Sinclair.
Yeah.
Sinclair.
Because they are different.
Wonders how it's. Yeah, I know. We gotta. Here, hang on. Yeah, I'll wait. I'll wait.
If you understand how you're getting your.
Sinclair wonders how how to model the spinner game
Wait,
in
what's
problem.
Oh.
Yes,
never mind,
because
I got
okay,
it.
all right.
Those aren't.
Using a tree diagram. Oh, Sinclair's a dude.
Bring them over.
Well, I didn't even mean to do that. Wait, where's this birthday cake? Where's this even come from?
Birthday cake.
What are you talking
Okay.
about? Wait, what are you doing?
The middle one is smaller.
So 464A, I think I was reading the question wrong. I was thinking about if the event would change depending on one spinner or the other, but it's asking, does spinning something affect what you spin on the other spinner?
So I was right.
Right, you're right, it's independent. I read the question wrong. Do you guys get why? So like what you get on spinner 1 doesn't affect like what you will spin on spinner 2.
Wait, are we gonna have like a quiz on this or is this
No,
just-
your quiz is not on.
Oh, wait, what is, what's A or
Not-
IUF?
not on.
What's IUF?
Those are the
Higgins.
letter choices. So spinner 1's
All
letter.
right, I gotta get rid of this birthday cake. I have got to get rid of this birthday cake.
So,
No.
Clark, let me show you.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Yo, stash.
Now you do. I don't even like.
Moving on to 65.
There we go.
Does anyone have questions on 64?
Where'd it go?
Give me, go to me.
So
Give it to me.
the diagram is misleading. It's really not misleading. 'Cause it makes
Yeah, I agree with you for that.
They all do it with half a dingle.
It just came.
What do you guys think?
Wait, no, they don't. Because in the thing, this one has a half.
Oh, okay, so it's misleading because
It doesn't show the percentage.
Do they
Yeah.
get their stash?
Is there one? Oh, this was.
That's a close read.
Oh my God.
That's
There can be sounds. Oh my God. No, I don't want this stash anymore.
Let's do
Tree diagram, yeah.
Sound.
The background is. Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God. I don't believe this is happening.
Changing environments.
It's cold. Why is the tree diagram misleading?
All right, so 65A. Are we still on that?
We just finished 65.
All right. All right. What'd you guys get for that?
We said that it is misleading because it doesn't show the
Can't be right.
percentage chances that it might. What chance you have.
Yeah.
Bless you. You're doing good.
What'd you get for the graph?
What the heck?
Okay. To make the tree diagram look like the true probabilities in this case, you bring those numbers on each range showing the probability.
We're on the bad side
The
today.
letter will.
Wait, why is it
She
misleading?
writes a 1/3 on the branch of the A, a 1/4
Why
on
is
the
it
branch of
misleading?
the 2.
Because it doesn't show like the probability of winning everything.
Sabrina's method labeled the tree diagram with probabilities on each range.
So.
So we just have to look.
Like all letters.
I don't know. I think
I still don't really get this.
it's supposed to be equal.
What?
They're not the same.
Because of, it feels like all letters should be only like.
Why do you think?
Did everyone get that one? Did we all get that?
Yeah.
Gotta get the points. You gotta get the points.
Honey, shouting out things.
What was the plan?
Well, it's coming from the same.
Change the environment.
I got that all on stream. What?
Change the environment.
Oh yeah. I forgot we're like freezing to death. Oh my God, we're still here. Let's go to the fucking Greece. That's much better. On the,
Sit back.
Daniel,
Charlie, you have to
what is this?
give him minus points for that.
Oh, it's a house.
Breaking the window.
You have to return it at the end of the year. You have to pay for it.
Smash the window.
What is this? What is this? Tetris? I don't think so. No, this is like normal now.
No.
I think.
What? I stay on task.
Blurry.
Guys, do you understand?
That was Mrs. Burton. That was him. That was ready to move. He was screaming out.
What were we saying?
We're supposed to draw like that picture or with the question.
No, I'm saying for B. You just say for B.
Draw the table.
Oh.
Like a new, what's it called? Draw a new tree diagram, yeah.
Wait, okay, so we have for the yeah, Mike's trying to say something like that.
I think we need to draw. I think we need to draw it out.
My cousins went on mission trips last summer.
Yeah.
And they like asked all of my
You need help?
No.
like, actually, I have to say that. It's not exciting,
Go
right?
check
Yeah.
the streets.
It's this like, I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, is it 1,000 or like 1,000?
Why is this
Well,
like
like,
blurry?
but
Let's see where we
we
are.
have
See
to,
what climbing we're
on our own, be able to come up with 500 and then we do
back
like
in this.
service work
Change
down
the
the
plan.
best. Yeah, or fundraisers. I'm gonna be doing a lot of fundraisers. Yeah, Melissa said that.
I like don't want this blurry at all. I don't want any effects.
Last year, it's so boring. Yeah, like, you sit there and like, how much are these cookies? Oh, it says it on the
All right, I
back.
guess now we don't have effects at all.
Okay.
Did we get
According to
65A answered why that why it looks like everything's equal?
We don't see it.
This is probability
It
that
looks equal.
now examining older.
it's only 9:04.
Good. That means we have a lot more time to be on stream.
It's not.
Put it once there. Well, it's
Number.
A is 1/3, and T is 1/4.
Great work, guys.
I think we're great. The bottom.
What are you asking?
What
is C asking?
It's asking like the, how to find the probability that you'll spend
AT. So how did we find AT using, like, how would we have found AT using the probability table?
I would have just gone to
So, first of all, yeah, you're right. You would have gone AT and just found the area of those. So how do you think, what were we doing with those numbers in the probability
we were
table?
like
Multiplying them. So you kind of do the same thing with the tree diagram, but let's say you go down the side of the tree that has an A, and then you go to the T, which would get you,
So it's like a 1 out of 6 probability.
it's not 1 out of 6 because the probabilities aren't even.
How do you add?
You're not gonna add. What were we
How do you
doing?
multiply?
How do you multiply fractions?
Wait, so this would be point.
So for A, what's the probability of A?
Is it 1/3 times 3/4? That's all.
Wait, not 3/4, 1/3. Because T is 1 or 1/4.
Oh, so it's 1/3, 1/4. Right? AT.
Oh, that's what you did in that.
It would be 1/12.
Right. So when two things are independent, you can always multiply their probabilities.
Okay.
So what you do is.
I mean, that really took a lot out of me. I think we should take a break. Let's check the stream. We have, how many viewers do we have? I can't tell. Where's the cameraman at?
Okay, but why did you say that tree diagram?
Each of the paths with two diagrams.
Right, and that's exactly what Clark just told you. That you count the lines that.
I'm gonna invite people. I'm gonna invite,
That's fine.
no, I gotta invite people in my
Just help you
circles.
remember it. What did you do in double check? Right,
Invite Matt.
table and the probabilities, let everyone know they're not doing. You're not gonna add them. What should we do? What did we do when we were dealing with these to find the box? Multiply.
Just invited him.
Multiply all these fractions. This is for A and T, right? So the road you go down to get A is 100, and then what's for?
How do I, like, find,
Okay, guys.
Okay, I did that and I got 1, 0, 8.
I like don't want this anymore. I want like the normal.
Oh, we can try on your
Yeah, it doesn't work though.
So each of the lines over the three because.
What is this? YouTube now?
So I know that the probability of A is 1/3. Yeah,
We're supposed to find the probability.
you're welcome. Okay, so D, in the same one or yeah, but there's the same probabilities for the thinners, right?
Oh, there we go.
No, that's the
Johnny
gravity.
got hard for you.
Are you serious? I don't want this draw.
What is the probability? What is the probability for spinning an A?
All right, that's good enough. That's all I need to do. All right, are we on D now?
Guys, wait, hey.
Yes.
So yeah, she is 112.
What's the probability of getting an A?
So there's the probability for the 1 word.
1/3, so that's what's gonna go on this branch. So then you're just gonna fill in
Bring your mouth.
letter.
Come on, guys, work together.
We get your stump.
Guys, I think we should ask the question.
Probability would be different because each of like the circles, you know, it has like a different like thing, you know. It's got like a different probability of getting one of like the wedges. So that's why the probability is different.
Or
Wait.
what do you want to say?
You said.
Is this right?
I'll check mine.
You're running my stream.
I don't want to be in your stream.
You don't want to be in my stream.
That wouldn't be A to be 1/3.
Yeah, so A is 1.
What?
That wouldn't just be 8 or 4, so 1/8.
Okay.
Go back to the stream. Why are you in incognito?
Nathan's. What? Okay.
Are you I
I don't think Emma likes me anymore.
Are you just always in incognito?
I'm so
No, I opened up incognito to get onto YouTube or something, do the live thing.
fucking dance.
She like blew up on us yesterday. She's like, you guys can't have any more practices. She's like, way too much practice. And I was like, by the way, I got detention. Next Tuesday. She was like, are you serious?
How'd you get a detention?
I was like excited.
How much do you have to be late?
I've only got one detention, and it was last year, and it's because I was being strangled by Austin Pendler. I only got one detention last year, ever, because I was being strangled by Austin Pendler in jewelry class.
I get it.
He was a senior. He was the guy, like one of those seniors. And that's what she said. Wait, what? What? What are you doing?
It's so sore.
What are you doing?
My back.
And so like Mr. Hetzel walked in. What is that? He walked in the room and Austin like had his hands on my throat. So I got his attention.
Same time where he was attending that, like, I got a head because apparently I was cheating, that's why I wasn't. Attention because I was cheating again, which I wasn't. They had all this.
I'm surprised they didn't kick you out.
I got a lot, I got like two cheating, I got a panel.
Torture chamber?
My name on a wall.
What's wrong with you? Oh, okay.
Like, on this wall, like, everyone writes their name. So I'm like, well, no one will see my name, so I write it on that wall. So I put it like off to the side a little. And that was the only name they could read, so I got it.
I like looked up, I was like looking at your screen and she typed in torture chamber. And I was like, Jesus, maybe this kid, maybe he's like not right in the head.
I wasn't that kind of a kid, but I just like all the. I wrote now. I got it. So Sandy was put on now, and I wrote beating up each other. And my sister, we really just like broke.
Stop.
You actually want me to stop? Like, for real. I have 2 viewers. They really cared.
And it's Johnny and Trevor.
No. I'm pretty sure my friend Matt is watching the stream. Matt.
I'm getting ready.
No, different Matt. Different Matt.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Question.
No.
So we're good with C and you've calculated the other probabilities of the other letters. So you multiply together.
Find all the branches with letter combinations that make words. Oh, are you kidding me?
Are we ready to move on?
Basically, you got to make the words. You got to make as many words as you can.
Good job.
3 out.
Yeah.
So 3 out of 6.
But we have to.
You're multiplying.
So it'd be 1/8 times 3/8 times 1/8.
The red ray.
You can't make that many words out of these.
Romeo. That was the smartest rat in the county.
It's 8.
Like F, like foo and F aren't words.
Yeah.
So it's like if and at.
I don't think Romeo is the smartest. I think.
What are you guys figuring now?
Like how many words you can make from them from the thing.
How many words?
Yeah,
Okay,
but you can only make 3, right?
Yeah.
It's not.
so it is
Really big number.
1 out of 256.
And then what's the other?
at,
Wait, you do 3 times 8.
yeah, it looks
Like,
like
yeah,
it.
and then I divided by 3.
Looks like you can only make 6.
3 over 7. What is it? It's 1 over 256.
Then after the method that was what to do.
Okay.
Check the stream.
So should we do?
Turn on my hat.
No, I don't like the effects. I don't like it.
So funny.
Alright, I have 2 viewers. They don't want to see that.
Yeah, I
So
don't see that.
what are you?
Alright.
Gross is the smartest rat.
Wait, whoa, hang on. This is like really important. I gotta listen. I gotta watch this.
First 0.125 that you gave, what does that
Ryan
mean?
has a pet rat, Romeo. There should be a comma right there. Ryan has a pet rat, comma, Romeo, that he boasts is the smartest rat in the county. Oh my God, what, like, county? I haven't, Jesus. Sammy overheard Ryan at the county fair claiming that Romeo could learn to run at a particular maze and find cheese at the end. I don't think that Romeo is that smart, Sammy declared. I think that rat just chooses a random path through the maze. Ryan has built a maze with the floor plan shown below. In addition, he has placed some cheese at the airtight in an airtight container, so Romeo can't smell the cheese in room A.
Wait, do we do 66?
A. Suppose that every time Romeo reaches a split in the maze, he is equally likely to choose any of the paths in front of him. Choose a method and then calculate the probability that Romeo will end up in each room in a sentence or two. Explain why you chose that method you did. All right. Start the morning out with some smooth jazz. Is that like good or like? Am I just like? I really want to like narrate, like go to like one of the like the publishers, distributor or whatever, and get a job and be like the person who records the audiobooks, and that'd be like such a good job.
People always so weird, like they try to do different voices, but they sound exactly the same every time.
Yeah. But yeah, I wouldn't do that. I would like be the best. I'd be like the best person to read those. I'd love that. So anyone watching the stream right now, I'm for hire or whatever.
I was talking to Emma. I thought you were pointing at me.
No, I'm pointing to the stream. I don't care about Emma.
Let's move on.
Check. I got 3 viewers. Oh my god. What is going on with these effects? I seriously don't like this. It's like all blurry. I don't like. I'm not.
So I don't have it either.
This is like irritating.
You're welcome.
We're all like a little confused. Number A,
One over three.
For 16,
like, how do we like 6A?
Yeah. Okay, so it's asking you all the possibilities, like in this branch of this tree diagram, basically how many options at this point in time does this mouse have?
5.
Like to get into the room or?
Yeah, to get through.
Well, no,
the-
wait. He's looking right through, like at the cheese. Why is it like?
Isn't the cheese in the B?
No, it's an A.
It's an A?
Yeah, he's looking right at it. There's like. That's
You just go straight.
Yeah, he goes straight.
So his first 3 branches are all what?
1 out of 3.
1/3, yeah. So basically draw a tree diagram that kind of looks like that maze.
First, split. Split's the probability.
Is it A? Just say A.
Let's make it-
Let's do 30.
Okay.
Wait, we actually getting down.
If the rat moves to
The
there.
first thing is you get 3 ways to pay, and if you go flat, you don't have 3 more. You go middle, over there. That's right.
What?
Would be
So this is like 3 out of 100.
Man, look at my.
Would be 100 times more.
Nice. Are you right-handed? Sucks.
Once you're finished, you can write your learning log for 16.
Being left-handed is so much better than being right-handed.
Half left. Oh, I'm not in.
Is the rat trying to get the A or in the B?
To divide that.
I think there is.
Can't give him the swinging motion left.
But we have 3 options.
It's about, all right.
From there, this option is.
What is this kid doing in this picture? He's like,
If you go left.
what a stupid rat. It's like looking right at the cheese and still has to think.
Middle.
Oh, 2 viewers. What the heck? Someone stopped watching. Someone lost interest.
If you go middle, then you will. So then.
My like, if I like it's like the, where my knees bend, like my like, yeah,
If he goes right.
and my back. I got you. I don't do anything.
One atom.
I can't even tell what I go to.
What do you guys do?
Basketball.
Two.
I have to do a lot of stuff. Tuesday when I come late, gotta stay extra. Whoa. So, yeah. She's so mad at me. I
You guys
tell her I won't
ready?
be there today.
Maybe
Then I'm gonna get
98.
talk to her like yeah, or something. That's like right when she's really mad at me. 2 bad things in a row. And I'm always, and my mom says like I'm always like half an hour. She's got like 2:30.
None of these doors are.
I hate such a half hour.
Yep, 3 viewers. 3 viewers.
Okay, since we're running out of time, I wanna call your guys' attention up here. This cheese problem, you basically could have made a tree diagram of the possibilities to get to the different rooms. So first off, this mouse has 3 different options, so he can go a third of different ways. And then off of the first option, he has 3 ways. He could go to B, he could go to B, or he could go to A. Off of this middle option, he can go straight to A. And then off of this third option, he could go to A or he could go to B. What they then wanted you to do was multiply the probabilities and then add them. So the probabilities to get to room B would have been 1 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 6.
Okay. Nice.
And then to get to A, we have the probabilities of 1 9 plus 1/3 plus
I do.
1 6. So I think it's more likely to get to the cheese, right? Because the cheese was in room A.
So the rest smart.
Classics.
I mean, it's just more likely.
So you're smarter.
since they
Do I just have like a coughing attack? Should
I go
cause a scene?
This morning.
Yes.
So we're gonna find the probability that the mouse goes way 1 and then the room B.
I'm
would be
sorry.
1/3 times 1/3.
I'm sorry.
Get all over me.
Questions on that? So copy down that tree diagram.
I'm not gonna be able to speak.
And
We got 10 minutes, points.
Ew, it's so like.
I mean, like nothing is there.
It's so rough.
okay, take out your assignment books or whatever you
Word,
take
so
down
bad.
the
Are we not doing the learning
Don't worry
block?
about that.
Wait, we're not doing the learning block?
He's like a coughing attack.
No, I can't keep doing it.
Don't worry.
We're just taking a quiz on
Oh, oh my god.
Wait, what were you asking me?
So does mine. Mine is like so wet.
No, I tried, but then like Miss Pescar in my Spanish class, like shut my Chromebook and it
You like
stopped.
did it throughout the whole day though.
All right, you need to pay attention to what I'm saying now in order to do good to do well on your quiz on Monday.
What?
We're done with the lesson for today. This is what will be on your quiz. So write these things down and practice problems on these topics. If you have questions, come see me. If you want me to give you practice problems, come see me.
I don't know.
Number 1 is finding angles, meaning alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding and vertical. Remember,
Candy.
what do you need to have to find these angles?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Not slope right over. Parallel lines, cut by a transversal. Number 2 is the Pythagorean theorem. Number 3 is tangent ratios. That is what
Oh my
deals
God,
with slope
what is he
ratio.
doing? Is he trying to steal my stream?
There's a
Is
binder
he
check
streaming?
on Monday.
Everyone's trying to stream it, taking my thunder.
No. And there's your homework down at the bottom, 69 through 74.
Johnny, your phone's so big.
It's like you could like land a plane on that thing.
Well, you can't. You would smash it.
Dude, I don't understand why you buy that because it's so
It's like
big.
such a big phone. Like
What phone is it?
That's flat.
Sam,
iPhone 8.
let's go on.
Sit down before you can go.
You know, it's really funny if a teacher asks you a question and you have no clue what the answer is, to just start speaking in gibberish.
Be the chair.
Yeah, I was trying to do that, but I looked really
Bye,
weird.
have a good day.
All right, everyone. See you later.
Peace.